Veneers are restorations that cover the front surface of a tooth. While they can improve function, most of the time veneers are used to improve the appearance of a patient's smile. Whether a tooth is misshapen, chipped, discolored, or rotated. Veneers can be made of ceramic or composite material and typically require multiple appointments to complete. With CAD/CAM veneers, your doctor uses state-of-the-art technology to image your teeth in 3D, which feeds into a computer to aid in designing the restorations. This technology makes it possible for your doctor to complete your veneers in a single appointment. To begin, your teeth are prepared by the doctor to make room to place the veneers. Next, the prepared teeth are scanned and creation of the veneers begins. They are then milled right in your doctor's office while you wait. Once the veneers are ready, your doctor will make final adjustments and bond them into place. Now your teeth are restored to optimal shape and function, and your smile will be greatly improved.